Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Roblox. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings error. You can also try the same ways into your computer. So as for me, I will be using my mobile phone. So what you need to do is log into your settings and you will see the three dots at the bottom right corner. Just click that one and tap settings and go to privacy. So in here, you need to disable the account restrictions because this is the reason why you are getting this error. So just toggle that one and then just enter the parental pin. And then moving back to our parental guidance or parental controls. Now you can also disable your parental pin, and then in your allowed experiences, make sure that you are 17 plus, or you can choose the all ages so that you can play all the experience that you want. So you can also turn off the parental pin as I said earlier. And that's it guys, you'll be able to play all the experiences here in Roblox. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.